the Sub-County Education Director. For primary education, I think the Dadaab schools are either number one or number one. The Dadaab primary schools, the schools in the Dadaab Sub-County, are the best in terms of performance in the whole of Garissa County. And I want to appreciate this to both the Education Ministry, the teachers, parents, and the students. However, when these students have moved to secondary school, that has not been remarkable. In the Dadaab Sub-County, for example, last year, we had a cancellation of results for the Dadaab Secondary School and the school. We still believe that that cancellation was not warranted. We have petitioned the government, we took the matter to court, but of course, the matter now has been undertaken by time. And I want to say that I want to appeal to the youth for secondary education. When they finish school, I looked at the average mean grade for the Dadaab Secondary School for 15 years, from the inception to the results of last year. And the mean grade of the Dadaab Secondary School was D for all those years.